So today we are learning how to apply percents. Remember, percents are written as fractions and decimals too, so it's always going to be part of a whole number. Now, when we are working with percents, we want to think about percents every time you check the battery on your phone. So when you notice that your battery is at 100%, you have 20 hours that your phone battery will last. Now, as you use it, your percentage will get lower and lower and lower. And we think about it as how many hours would it be if they were at 80% or 50% and so on. So what we're doing today, we are using percent benchmarks in order for us to figure out what the number of hours your battery will last. So before we get started, there's a few things that I want you to write on in your assignment. So it says percent means out of what? So we've been talking about percents, and all that means is percent is out of 100. Oops. 100. So for number one, you're going to put 100. And then to find percent of a number, we can use percent benchmarks. So make sure you write benchmarks. So go ahead and write this in your assignment and then go to the next question.